Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back. You're watching Protect. So today we brought you the in-depth review of number one best-selling MAONO DGM20 condenser mic, specially useful for online gaming streamer, YouTube creators or any kind of content creator who wants crystal clear audio with superb noise cancellation in their content. There are lots of pros of using this mic. It have this amazing RGB light, recording control with one-touch buttons, dedicated mic gain control, high quality ENC noise cancellation, real-time monitoring of audio with headphone jack. Today in this video we are going to show you the quick unboxing of this product, its features, how to set up this mic with PC and with your Android phone, along with the audio samples without and with noise cancellation feature. At the end of this video, I have given my final genuine verdict about this product. Do you need to buy this or not? And its pricing. So without wasting any time, let's get started.
It's a new adventure. On a new adventure.
This is the comprehensive video. After this, you don't need to watch any other video review of this product. Whole audio of this video is recorded with this mic in heavy noisy condition. Let's quickly do the unboxing of this product. On the box, you will get this MAONO branding and other details with features of this product. In the box, you will get this thermocol packing, which is decent one to protect your product from any kind of damage. You will also find the information voucher, warranty card, USB-C type cable which is convertible from USB-C to normal USB cable. So you can connect this device to PC, laptops or any Android phone without any issues. We also get the boom arm connector, and this is the mic itself with everything assembled with the stand and pop filter. First we will check out the product. On the front you can see the pop filter, below it you get the 3.5mm jack to connect your headphones. It will help to keep the real-time monitoring on your audio while streaming of your content or while doing the voiceover of videos. This is the lock. You can lose it and can move the direction of mic to comfortable position. On the back at the bottom you get the USB-C port to connect the mic with laptop, PC, Android devices or any kind of supported devices. This is the mic gain control which can be movable clockwise to gain the mic audio, and if we move it to anti-clockwise it reduces the mic audio level. On the top of the mic you get one touch RGB light control along with the noise cancellation and recording on and off buttons. Let's check out how to set up this mic for streaming recording of your content on PC or any Android device. Just connect the one end of USB to the USB-C port of the mic. This is the convertible end of the wire. If you want to connect the device to PC or laptop port having only USB 2.0 or 3.0 port, keep it as it is and connect to the PC port. Immediately mic RGB light turns on. Now we have to set up this device noise cancellation and software update. For that, go to the MAONO website. Its link is given in the description. There in a software tab, search for MAONO DGM20, click on it. There download this noise reduction software. You will get the zip file, extract it on the PC. You will get the two files. From that, open DGM20 software application by double clicking on the exe file. In this application user interface, in the center you will get the notification DGM20 linked to PC. Next, click on this gear icon. Here if you get any software update, just download it. Once it's installed, remove this cable and reconnect it once again. Using this slider control, you can change the noise cancellation level from 0 to 100%. For me, on 50%, I got the great audio quality. That's it. Now your device is ready to use on your PC or laptop or for Android devices for online streaming, gaming or any kind of content creation. Let's check out how to use this on Android devices. Connect the one end of the USB-C to phone. Now remove this USB port connector of other end of the cable. You will get the another USB-C connector. Connect it to mic. You will see the mic RGB light got turned on. On your Android phone, you will see this mic icon in volume slider. By single tap on this RGB light, you can change the RGB light to different colors, which gives the amazing ambience effect. By single tap on the mic button, you can turn on and off the recording, which indicates the green color for mic on and red light for mic off. Similarly, by long pressing on the noise cancellation button, just long press on the noise cancellation button, it will turn on with the blue color and red color indicates the noise cancellation is off. That's it. Now you can directly record or stream live audio for any kind of content for supported applications. I generally use the UCut editor video editing application for my video editing. It selects this mic by default, but if you are using any other video editing software which have settings to select external mic, then choose DMG20 in that setting. Now you can do the voiceover in the videos. Always remember, keep mic from your face to 4 to 8 inches away and is pop filter facing towards your face. I already did the voiceover of video in the noisy environment without noise cancellation and another one with noise cancellation on. And here are the samples with and without noise cancellation. As I didn't have the headphones which having the 3.9 mm jack, which helps you to do real-time monitoring of this recorded audio, so I need to remove the USB-C from the phone to check the audio quality of this recording. And here are the audio samples.
Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back. You're watching for Tech. Hurry up. If you are interested in testing Oxon 16 closed beta builds, OnePlus opened the registration for Oxon 16 closed beta for OnePlus 13R. Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back. You're watching for Tech. Hurry up. If you are interested in testing Oxon 16 closed beta builds, OnePlus opened the registration for Oxon 16 closed beta for OnePlus 13R.
You can easily differentiate the voice quality without and with noise cancellation feature of this mic. With noise cancellation, I got crystal clear sound for recording, which I did in extremely heavy noisy environment. To stream the audio in the games on the Android devices, just run the games and connect your MAONO DGM20, start the live streaming or the screen recording of the gameplay. Here again in the gameplay, you get the crystal clear audio recording without any noise.
Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back. You're watching for Tech. So after updating to Sonos 15 VX60, we will do the performance test with BGMI gameplay.
So what is my final verdict about this mic? MAONO DGM20 condenser mic gives you the clear crystal sound using the standard ENC noise cancellation technology, which is did not found in any of the wired or wireless mics till the date. For live streaming you get the zero latency, so no more audio delays will be there in the live streams. Its one touch buttons gives the easy control of device. RGB lights gives the amazing ambience effect in your videos if you are uploading face-off video content. Real-time monitoring of audio can be done using the headphones which having the 3.5 mm jack. Overall, this is the great budget high quality condenser mic for gaming, online audio streamings and for voiceover of your social media content. This product is tagged with Amazon's choice to recommend their viewers having 4.2 stars rated by 1200 satisfied users, and it's only available in rupees 2700, approximately $35 to $40. Link is available in the description. Hope you guys like our work. Then please do like and share this video, subscribe to our channel, press the bell icon to get notifications of such more product reviews. Thanks for watching. See you next time. Take care. Bye bye.